Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I will talk about the Capgemini first round, that is communication assessment. So how to clear this and what is the format of this. So first of all, I think you are very well aware of the hiring pattern. So first there is registration which is already been done, then English assessment which is very important things. So I will talk about this in this video, okay, and then technical and coding assessment. Further I will make video on all these topic. Okay, coming to the top things, that what will be the section for communication assessment. So first there will be situational awareness question, both chat as well as email. Then reading paragraph will be there, total 4 question will be there. Then listening comprehension 4, spoken topics 2 questions, and business writing 2 question, and then grammar sentence correction. So I will talk about each point. First is that situational awareness question. Okay, so situational awareness, there will be a situation given and accordingly you have to basically go through it. Okay, so in this thing, main thing you have to maintain, that is the professional etiquette. Okay, and apology and clarification एंड कन्फ्लिक्ट हैंडलिंग. ओके, मीन्स क्वेश्चन आपको रहेगा तो ये आपको ध्यान में रख के आंसर देना है. ओके, इट शुड हैंडल द कन्फ्लिक्ट प्रॉपरली. ओके, ऐसे नहीं कि रूडली में आपको हैंडल कीजिएगा. फॉर एग्जांपल, पोलाइट email with responsibility and solution, so this can be a thing. Okay, talking about the reading paragraph, so I think you are very well known aware of this reading paragraph. You have to go through the paragraph, you have to basically take the main idea, that paragraph positive side है और negative side, and you have to take inference. Okay, and author tone क्या है, जो मैंने बोला कि positive and negative, and accordingly you have to basically give your answer. Okay, so here you have to focus on understanding, not memorizing, so what actually they want to say. So this is the important thing, that is paragraph. Talking about the listening comprehension, so here you have to use a good microphone. Okay, means headphone, and make sure that whenever you are giving communication assessment, आपका भाई रूम शांत रहे. ओके, इधर उधर कहीं आवाज़ नहीं आना चाहिए, अदरवाइज यू विल बी डिस्क्वालीफाइड. ओके, सो इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स, यू हैव टू लिसन इट एवरी क्वेश्चन केयरफुल्ली. यू कैन ऑल्सो नोट डाउन इन योर कॉपी. Okay, means important point, and further you have to basically give the answer accordingly. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट स्पोकन टॉपिक्स. सो स्पोकन टॉपिक्स में आपको बहुत सारा कुछ हो सकता है. सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन पूछा जा सकता है, देन ओपिनियन बेस्ड टॉपिक. ओके, सच एज गिव मी योर ओपिनियन ऑन इंडियन इकोनॉमी और डिजिटल इकोनॉमी, एंड सम टेक का टॉपिक दिया जा सकता है, तो उसमें आपको बोलना होगा. सो स्पीक क्लियरली एंड कॉन्फिडेंटली. नो नीड टू basically talk in detail about that and go to complex or depth level, but whatever thing you are telling them, speak clearly, confidently. Okay, then आपका आराम से ये क्लियर हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट इज द बिजनेस राइटिंग. ओके, सो यहाँ पर आपको इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स जो है, ईमेल, लीव ईमेल के लिए अप्लाई करना, रिक्वेस्ट मेल के लिए अप्लाई करना, एंड मेक श्योर दैट वेन एवर यू आर डूइंग द बिजनेस राइटिंग सेक्शन, देन आपका टोन फॉर्मल होना चाहिए. इट शुड नॉट बी इनफॉर्मल, मीन्स द मेल यू आर सेंडिंग टू योर फ्रेंड और अदर थिंग्स, इट शुड नॉट बी देयर. एंड स्ट्रक्चर, फर्स्ट देयर शुड बी proper subject, then greetings, the dear sir, or all things you can go through it. Then you have to give proper body, and then closing. Okay, don't write lengthy email too. नेक्स्ट, दैट इज़ द ग्रामर एंड सेंटेंस करेक्शन. सो इसमें आपको कंप्लीट टॉपिक्स को एनालाइज करना होगा. इफ़ यू हैवंट गो थ्रू आवर वीडियो रिलेटेड टू द free study material, so I have already provided free study material for grammar, for aptitude, reasoning, so you can go through it. It will be also helpful for other exam too, such as the TCS, NQT, Cognizant, or other. So go through that. So main topics you have to basically go through it, that is the tenses, articles, preposition, and subject verb agreement. Subject verb agreement is very important, and most of the question may came from subject verb agreement. So grammar sentence correction में आपको बस just नॉलेज होना चाहिए ग्रामर का, देन यू कैन क्लियरली मीन्स क्वालिफाई फॉर दिस थिंग. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टिप्स दैट आई वांट टू टेल यू, दैट रीड डेली. ओके, अभी 1-2 दिन में मीन्स आप लोग असेसमेंट होगा, सो डेली आप प्रैक्टिस, कुछ क्वेश्चन आप कर सकते हैं. देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ ऑनलाइन रिसोर्स आर देयर. गो एंड प्रैक्टिस राइटिंग emails and speak aloud. Okay, you should have a clear practice of speaking, because you will be judged, means your speaking skill will be judged. So make sure to speak aloud whenever you are giving exam. Okay, and revise the grammar rules and stay calm in exam. No need to be in a hurry and give them properly. So best tips आपको ये दूंगा कि give your test in a noise free environment. Okay, that is the important things. And next, further there will be gaming round. So if you want to know about the gaming round, then you can refer our this video where I have talked in detail about the gaming round, about 14-minute question with each sample मैंने बात किया हूँ. सो आप रिफ़र कर सकते हैं, इसका वीडियो का लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन दे दूँगा. Hope video informative to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help you. And best of luck to all the candidates who wanna participate in the Capgemini 2026 hiring. Thank you.